Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and in a very good health. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to Maths class. Today, in this session, we are going to study problem set 5 and 6. So, let's start with the explanation. Today, in this session, we are going to study the three topics. First, the expanded form of a number. Second, place value of the digits. Third, bigger and the smaller numbers. Now students, expanded form you have already studied, but let's take a example and understand in a more better way. So now what is expanded form? So expanded form is a way of writing a number to show the value of each digit. It is shown as the sum of the place values of each digit. Now students, you must be remembering a little bit that how we are supposed to write the expanded form. First, we will see the place value of each digit and how to write the expanded form in a more better way we will learn today. Now students, your number is given 7236 and the place value of this number is given. 6 is at unit place, 3 is at tens place, 2 is at hundred place and 7 is at thousand place. Now students, we will see the individual value of each number. Now 6 is at unit place, so it will be 6 only. 3 is at tens place, so 3 multiplied by 10 it will become 30. Then 2 is at hundred place, so 2 multiplied by 100 it will be 200. Then 7 is at thousand place, so 7 multiplied by 1000 it will give us 7000. So this is the individual value of each digit. Now how we will write it in expanded form? Now the number given here 7236, it is written in the standard form. Now it is called as the standard form. First we will write the place value to make it more clear how to write in the expanded form. Now 7 is at thousand place, 2 is at hundred place, 3 is at tens place and 6 is at unit place. So we will start writing from the left side, which is the thousand place. Now 7 is at thousand place, so we wrote here 7000. Here 30 will come because after thousand how many place values are there? 1, 2 and 3. So we wrote here 30 plus 200. 2 is at 100 place, so we will write here 200. As after 100 two values are there, we put here 20 plus 30. Here 3 is at tens place, so we wrote 30. 3 and after tens how many value is there? 1 value, so we wrote here 10 plus 6. Unit place 6 is there and after there is no value, so we wrote 6. So 7000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 6 is the expanded form of this number. If we will add all this number, we will get the answer same as 7236. Understood student how you are going to write the expanded form? Let's see in a more clear way of the bigger number. Now this was the till 10,000 place. Now we will see till the 10 lakh means 7 digit number expanded form. As I have explained you 7 digit number, now we will do the expanded form of the number. Now the example is 27,65,043. Now your students, the place is given. As you all know, place, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. And the digits is given, so you have to place the digit on their place value. So 2 is on 10 lakh place, 7 on the lakh place, 6 at the 10,000 place, 5 at 1000 place, 0 at 100 place, 4 at tens place and 3 at unit place. Now students, as we have written the digits of the following number, digits on the following place value. Now we will place, so we will write the place value of this digit. Now 3 we have wrote 3 as unit. We will leave one line and write the 4, which is on the tens place. Then after writing the 4, the unit place will be empty, so we will write there 0. Then moving ahead, we will write the 0 down, the 100 place 0. Now students, here there was no number, so we will write 0 only and we will not pronounce anything. Now after that, two places are empty, we will write as it is written over here, 0 0. Now the next place is of 1000 and the number is 5. So we will bring 5 down, and after that how many places are empty? 3 places. So we will write there 0, 0, 0 and 0. After that 6 is there at 10,000 place. So we will write 6 as it is. After that the places which are empty is 4, means 1000, 100, tens and unit. So all the places we will write 0. Now the next number is 7 and it is on which place? Lakh place value. So we will write 7 as it is, and after that on the empty places we will write the 0. So how many 0 we have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the next place value is 10 lakh and the number is 2. So after writing 2, we have to write the 0 at the empty places. So how you will write? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now students, 3 we have wrote as it is. Then tens place 40 is there, 4 is there, but it has to be written 40. So here is the expanded form of the number 27,65,043. See, down in the green column, 20 lakh is there. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 7 lakh. How many zeros? 5 zeros. Plus 60,000. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Plus 5,000 with 3 zeros. Plus at 100 place there were no numbers, so we have wrote 0. Plus 40 plus 3. This is the expanded form, students. I hope you have understood this column very well. Let's see some more example of the expanded form. Now the number given here is 82,34,234. Now as we have wrote the place value also, 4 is at unit place, 3 as at tens place, 2 100 place, 4 1000 place, 3 10,000 place, 2 lakh place and 8 10 lakh place. So how we will write the expanded form? First, which number is there? 10 lakh place 8 is there. So we will write 8. Now after writing 8, students, how many place values are left? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So along with 8 there comes the 80, as 6 values are left, so here 80 will come. Sorry, 60 will come. So it will become 80 lakh. Plus 2 is at lakhs place, so 2 we will write as it is. After writing 2, how many place values are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 50 will come. So it will become 2 lakh plus 3 is at 10,000 place, so it will be 30,000. So after writing 3, how many place values are left? 4. So we will write here 40 plus 4,000. 4 is at 1000 place, so 4 we wrote, and how many place values left? 3. So we will add 30 to 4. So it will become 4,000 plus 200. 2 is at 100 place. After writing 2, how many place values are left? 2 place values, so we will write 20. So it will become 200 plus 30. 3 is at tens place, so we will write here 30, as one value is left, so we will add 10 here, plus 4. Unit place 4 is there, so we will write 4 as it is because there is no other values after unit. So this was the expanded form of 82,34,234. Now the next example is 70,56,051. First we will write the place values. Now 7 is at 10 lakh place. Now at lakh place there is no number, so there comes 0. 10,000 place 5 is there. 1000 place 6 is there. 100 place there is no number, so 0. Then tens place 5 is there and unit place 1 is there. So now 70 lakh, 10 lakh place 7 is there, so we will write here the expanded form as 70 lakh. As I told you students, how many place values are left, that many zeros will come along with 7, so it will become 70 lakh. Plus, now at lakh place there is no number, so you will write 0. Plus 50,000. Here 40 comes because the 4 values are left, so it becomes 50,000 plus 1000 place 6 is there, so 6,000 plus 100 place there is no number, so we will write 0. Then tens place 5 is there, so it becomes 50. Unit place 1 is there, so we wrote plus 1. I hope students you have understood the expanded form very well. Now students, we will do the writing work. So students, please take out your maths. Sorry, but before that we are going to understand one more topic, that is the bigger and the smaller number. Now students, you are familiar with these two signs, which is smaller than and greater than. So when the number is smaller, this side, the pointed side will face that number and the open side will face to the bigger number. So here students, the numbers are given and we have to put the correct sign. So here 23,85,500. Here 23,58,500. Now students, here the numbers are already similar, but at 10,000 and 1,000 place here 85 is there and here 58 is there. So here 85 is the bigger number. So this 23,85,500 is the bigger number. So the greater than sign will be coming over this side. Now next number is 86 lakh and here 86 lakh 100. So which is the bigger number? 86 lakh 100. So the bigger sign will come over here. Now students, here the biggest 5-digit number is given and yes, biggest 6-digit number is given. So this is 99,999 and here it is 9,99,999. So here lakh value is greater. So the bigger sign will come over this side. Understood student how to use the bigger, greater than and smaller than sign? Okay, so now we will be doing the writing work of problem set 5. So students, remove your maths notebook, your pen, pencil and scale, write today's date, take a new page and write this first. On the very first line, write the example 27,65,043. Then next line, write the place value. First write place, then write 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and unit. Then write the digits on their places. 2 on 10 lakh place, 7 on lakh place, 6 on 10,000 place, 5 at 1,000, 0 at 100 place, 4 at tens place and 3 at the unit place. Then students, below the digit write place value and write as it is I have shown in the screen. See, below 3 write 0, then next leave one line, write 4 and you have to draw this arrow also. Draw this column as I have shown in the picture. Then after writing this, leave one line and write this in the number 27,65,043. The digit in each place has different place value. So the expanded form of the number is 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 0, 100 place there is no number, so we wrote 0, plus 40 plus 3. So this is the way you have to copy this in your notebook. Now moving ahead, student, take a new page and write problem set 5 on the margin. Copy the first question. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Now leave one line and copy the first sum, which is 78,95,210. Now leave one line and write the places and then write the numbers below them. Unit place 0 is there, tens place 1 is there, 100 place 2 is there, 1000 place 5 is there, 10,000 place 9 is there, lakh place 8 is there, and 10 lakh place 7 is there. So first of all you have to write like this. Write the place value and the numbers below that. Now students, in the sum the number 7 is underlined and we have to write the place value of that digit. So here the 7 is at 10 lakh place. So leave one line and write the place value of 7 is 70 lakh. How many zeros are left here? Place values are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after 7 you have to write 6 zeros. And what the place value of 7 is here? It is 70 lakh. So this is the way you have to copy your first sum. Now moving to our next sum, leave one line and copy the next sum, which is 14 lakh 95,210. Leave one line, write the place value, then next line write the numbers below their place value. Now here in sum 4 is underlined, so we have to write the place value of 4. So students, as you can see, 4 is at which place? It is at the lakh place. So leave one line and write this. The place value of 4 is 4 lakh. So in numbers also you have to write, and you have to write like this also. Now moving to our next sum, which is the third sum. Copy it. 3,52,749. Students, leave one line and write the place value, and next line write the number. Now in sum the 5 number is underlined, so we have to find the value of 5. Now 5 is at which place, students? It is on the 10,000 place. So leave one line and write the place value of 5 is 50,000. Moving to our next sum, question number 4. Now copy the fourth sum, students. It is 50,000. Leave one line and write the place value, then below write the number. Now students, the number which underlined over here is 0. So the place value, your 0 is written with the number which is underlined. 0 which is underlined, it is on the unit place. So wherever the 0 will be there, the place value of 0 will be 0, student. So leave one line and write this. The place value of 0 is 0. Understood? Now moving to our next sum. Fifth sum. Copy the sum. 89,99,988. Now leave one line and write the place value, and down write the numbers. Now students, the number which underlined over here is 9. Now 9, this 9 is at which place? It is at the 10,000 place. So leave one line and write the place value of 9 is 90,000. Understood, student? Now the next question. Question number 2, students, write the numbers in their expanded form. Now students, the number, it is given in the standard form, and you have to write that number in the expanded form as I have explained you. So copy the first sum and write as I have written. The first sum is 56,43,250. So how you will expand it? 50 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 5. This is the way you will write the expanded form of this number. Understood, student? Now leave one line and copy the next sum. 70,850. Now 70,000 plus. Now students, here 10,000 place 70 is there. So we wrote 70,000. 1,000 place there is no number. Only 0 is there. So we will write only 0. Plus 800 plus 10 plus 5. Now the next number is 8 third sum. Leave one line and write the sum. 8,35,999. So how we will do the expanded form? First 8 lakh plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Now the next sum, fourth sum, copy the sum, students. 8,88,889. So how we will expand? 8 lakh plus 80,000 plus 8,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 9. Now the next sum, fifth sum, 92 lakh 32,992. So now we will do the expanded form. 90 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 2. So this is the way you have to write the expanded form of the given number. I hope students you have understood this topic very well. Now moving to our next question. Question number 3. Write the place name and place value of each digit in the following numbers. Now students, here already the numbers are given to you. You have to write the place and the place value of all the numbers. So how you will write? First you will draw the column like this. Then you will write digit and the numbers which is given in front of that. It is given 35705. Then you will write the places. Now 3 is at which place? 10,000 place. 5 is at 1,000 place. 7 is at 100 place. 0 is at tens place and 5 is at unit place. After that, in the third row, you will write the place value. Now, the place value of 3 is how much? 10,000. So, it will become 30,000. Then 5 is at 1,000 place. So, it will be 5,000. 7 is at 100 place. So, it is 700. Tens place 0 is there. So, we will write 0. And unit place 5 is there. So, we will write 5 as it is. Now leave one line and copy the next sum, which is 7,82,899. So draw the column like this. In the first row, write the digit and write the numbers which is given 782,899. Now then write the place value in the second row. 7 is at lakh place. 8 is at 10,000 place. 2 is at thousands place. 8 is at hundreds place. 9 tens place and again 9 unit place. Now you have to write the place value. So 7 is at lakh place. So it will be 7 lakh. 8 is at 10,000 place. So it will be 80,000. 2 is at 1,000 place. So it will be 2,000. Then 8 is at 100 place. So it will be 800. 9 is at tens place. So it will be 90. And again 9 is at unit place. So it will be 9 only. Now the next sum is third sum. 82,74,508. Students, again copy the table like this, and first row write the digit and copy the numbers in front of that, which is 8274508. Now place you have to write. 8 is at tens lakh place, 2 is at lakh place, 7 is at 10,000 place, 4 is at thousands place, 5 hundred place, 0 tens place, 8 is at unit place. Now the next next row we have to write the place value. 8 is at tens lakh place, so it will become 80 lakh. 2 lakh place, so it will be 2 lakhs. 7 is at 10,000 place, so it will be 70,000. 4 is at 1,000 place, so it will be 4,000. 5 is at 100 place, so it will be 500. Then 0 is at tens place, so it will be 0, and 8 is at unit place, so it will be 8. Understood, student, how you have to write the place and the place value of each digit? This is the way you have to copy in your maths notebook. Now moving ahead, question number 4. The expanded form of the number is given. Write the number. Now students, here already the expanded form is given. You just have to write the number. So here the first sum is 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 9. So what we will do, we will write as 6, we will write as it is, then 4, so it will be 64,000, then 679. So this is the way you have to write the number in the standard form. Again your expanded form is given. Now 9 lakh plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 5. So 9 lakh, we will write 9 lakh, comma 20,000 plus 7,000. So in standard form, we will not write 20 different and 7 different. We will write both together as 27,000, comma 800 is given. So 8. Now students, here there is no number at the tens place. So what we are going to write at tens place? We are going to write 0. We will not leave that place, otherwise the sum will be wrong. So if any number is not given of any place value, so you will write 0 over there. So tens place we wrote 0, and 5 we write as it is. So the standard form is 9,27,805. Now the next sum is 20 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 60,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. So here 20 lakh and 3 lakh is written. So we cannot write it 20 lakh different and 3 lakh different. As I have said you have to read this both value together, 10 lakh and lakh. So it will be, if we will write in standard form, it will be 23 lakh, then 69,500 and 17. Here 10 is there, so we will write 1 and it will be 7, so it will be 17. 23 lakh 69,517. Now the next sum, 7 lakh plus 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 500. So 7 lakh we will write 7, then 80,000 and 4,000 we cannot write different, so we will write together 84,000 and 500. Here tens and unit place number is not given, so as I said, you cannot leave it like this empty, you have to write the 0. So this is the standard form of this expanded number. Then the next is 80 lakh plus 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 600 plus 9. Now students, 10 lakh place 80 is given, so we wrote here 8. Now lakh place there is no number given over here, so we will write here 0. Then 10,000 and 1,000 place 50 and 1,000 is there, so we will write it together 51,000. Then 600 we will write 6, And again, yes, unit number is tens number is not given. So what we will do, we will write as 0 and 9 we will write as it is. So this is the standard form of this expanded number. Understood, student, how you are going to write the standard form of the expanded number? Now moving ahead, students, take a new page and write problem set 6 on the margin and copy the first sum. Write the proper symbol smaller than or greater than in the box. Now students, here the two numbers are given and you have to write which is the greater number and which is the smaller number. The first question is 5705, then the next number is 15705. So your student, 5000 is big or 15,000? 15,000. So the greater than sign will be in front of 705. Now the next sum is 22,74,705. The next number is 12,74,705. So students, at the lakh place, 10 lakh place, here 22 is there and here 12 is there. So which is the bigger number? 22. So the greater sign will come in front of 22,74,705. See, this is the way you have to put the sign. Then the next number is 35,33,302. Next number is 35,32,302. Here both the numbers look similar, but students, see the number which is on the place value of 10,000 and 1,000. Here it is 33 and here it is 32. So which number is bigger? Here this is 35,33,302. So the bigger number, bigger sign will come on this number. This is the way you have to write. Then the next sum is, first number is 99,999 and the second is 9,99,999. So which is the bigger number? Obviously 9,99,900. So the bigger sign will come over this side. Then next sum is 4,80,009. Next number is 4,90,008. So which is the bigger number, students? Here 1,000, 10,000 place, 80,000 is there and here 90,000 is there. So this number is the bigger number. So the bigger sign will come over this side. Then the next sixth is 35,80,177. Next number is 35,88,172. Now see, numbers are similar, but see the number which is on the 10,000 and 1,000 place. Here 80 is there and here 88 is there. So which number is bigger? This number, 35,88,172. So the bigger than sign will come in front of this number. Understood, student? Now copy the next question. Solve the problems given below. Here students, some of the sums are given and we have to write the proper answer. The first question is, the Swayam Siddhi saving groups made 3,45,000 pappers while the Swabhimani group made 2,95,000. Which group made more pappers? Now students, this group Swayam Siddha group made 3,45,000 and Swabhimani group made 2,95,000. So which group made more papar? The answer is Swayam Siddha group made more pappers. Then the next question, copy the next question. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Which children collected more seeds? Now in Ahmednagar district, children collected 2 lakh only seeds and in Pune district, children collected 3,25,000. So the answer is children of the primary school in Pune district collected more seats. Now copy the third sum. The number of people who took part in the Republic Day flag hoisting ceremony was 2,01,306 in Pandrapur Taluka and 1,97,208 in Mahal Shiraz Taluka. In which taluka did a larger number of people participate? Now students, in Pandrapur, 2,01,306 people participated, and in Mal Shiraz, 1,97,208. So, which people participated in the more number? Pandrapur. So, the answer will come in Pandrapur Taluka, larger number of people participated. Now, the next question. Copy the fourth question. At an exhibition, the Annapurna Saving Groups sold goods worth rupees 5,12,345. The Nirman Group sold goods worth rupees 4,12,900. This figure was rupees 4,33,000 for the Srujan Group and rupees 5,11,937 for the Savitribai Phule Group. So now the questions related to the given information is given, students, and you have to write the answer. Which group had the largest sale? Now students, here which group had the largest sale? Here two group is given, Annapurna and Nirman. So which group sell the most number of goods? See, 5,12,345 sold by Annapurna Group and 4,12,900 by Nirman Group. So which is the bigger number? 5,12,345. So Annapurna Group had sale the largest sale. So the answer comes the Annapurna Saving Group. Next question, which group had the smallest? The answer is the Nirman Group. Then the next question is write the sales figure in ascending order. So the number of the sales figure in ascending order is first 4,12,900, next 4,33,000, next number 5,11,937 and the last number is 5,12,345. I hope students you have understood both the exercise very well. Problem set 5 and problem set 6. Complete the book on time and keep it neat and tidy. I will see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.